Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trezor Model One. First, connect your device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, download and install the Trezor Suite application from the official website. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or recover an existing one using your recovery seed. Remember to carefully write down your 24-word recovery seed and store it in a safe, private location. To manage your cryptocurrency, open Trezor Suite and select the account you wish to use. To receive funds, click the Receive tab to generate a unique address. Share this address with the sender. To send funds, click the Send tab, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always verify all transaction details directly on your Trezor Model One screen before confirming the transfer. Security is paramount with your Trezor Model One. Always keep your 24-word recovery seed offline and never share it with anyone. Set a strong, unique PIN for your device and never disclose it. Crucially, always verify all transaction details on your Trezor's physical screen, not just on your computer. For an extra layer of protection, consider enabling the passphrase feature. Your Trezor Model One supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage various digital assets from one device. The passphrase feature offers advanced security, creating hidden wallets for plausible deniability. Regularly update your device's firmware through Trezor Suite to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. You can also explore various third-party integrations to expand your Trezor's functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.